an old Easter egg banner to use for a Thanksgiving project. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks for coming back. All right, so I have these 3 little eggs from an Easter egg banner that I had. I'm going to paint them orange. I also have this cute little give thanks wooden cutout that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint that. I think it's Spanish moss is the color, and it's chalk paint. Then I have my little blending pad, and I'm going to put a little brown wax on it, and I'm going to go around my little eggs that we painted orange, and I'm going to distress them. Now, if distressing isn't your jam, don't do it. But you know it is mine, so I'm going to distress them to the glory of God. And then I have the give thanks that I'm also going to distress, but I'm going to use some white chalk paint, and I'm using a dry brush method on that, which is basically a dry brush, dip it a little bit in the paint, dab it off a little bit, and then go over. And it makes a nice cloudy, almost distressing vibe to it. And I love it. Super pretty. Anyways, all right. And I'm going to do the same thing around my, just a little bit on the Easter eggs as well, only because I feel like it ties the give thanks in with this and the sign part that we're going to put this all on after. So, and again, if it's not your vibe, don't do it, but I love it. So then I'm going to put some glue on one part of the egg, and I'm going to put another one on, and it's kind of like tilted, right? And then I'm going to put some more glue on the top one, and I'm going to put the third one on top, and look, we have a pumpkin. What? I know. I'm going to take some wire jute, and I'm going to just wrap it. I think it's a chopstick. I'm just wrapping it around so it gets a corkscrew look to it. Perfect. Then I'm going to cut a little piece off of my cinnamon stick, and I'm going to glue that where a stem would go. Look how cute already. I have some Dollar Tree faux flowers, and I'm just taking the leaves off. And you can see I've done this before. I take the plastic off of it, and I just cut one of them off, and I'm put a little bit of glue on it, and then we're going to sneak that behind the top egg. Look at how cute already. Stop it. Then we're going to put a little bit more glue on our little corkscrew, and we're going to sneak that behind the leaf. I just stop. Look at how cute. I mean, you could stop right there. I mean, stop it, right? But I have a piece of homespun. It's just a scrap piece that I had. And I had some jute that I had left over from goodness only knows Dollar Tree projects. I save them all. In case you wondered, I save everything. And I'm just going to tie our little homespun that we just looped. I'm just going to tie it in the center, trim the ends, and then we have a cute little bow. And that way we can hide those little holes. And I just put some glue on, I put our bow on, and stop. Look, so cute. Then we have the sign from Dollar Tree that I got, and I got it just recently. So hopefully you'll be able to find one in your Dollar Tree. I put some glue on the back of our give thanks. I'm using some wood glue as well as some hot glue. You could do one or both like I did, whichever. And then I'm going to glue that on. Thankfully there are lines in this and I could see which way is straight. Then I'm going to put some more glue on the back of our, I keep calling them Easter eggs. It was from an Easter banner, but yeah, this is why I tell you to always buy the stuff when you have it, you can use it later, different seasons. I'm just saying, but look, oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. I love it so much. Oh, anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.